Hey guys, this is Kareem again. Hope you're fine. Today it's a good day. I've got Faiza Possible with me here. She's a YouTuber. Yes, thank you so much Faiza for giving your time. And we are at Kabaka's lake.
Yes, Kabaka's lake.
It's a beautiful lake and it's a man-made lake. That's what I've heard, right?
Exactly, the largest in the country, largest man-made lake.
Okay, the largest man-made lake. She's gonna tell me about the history of this place. So Faiza, why do you call it a man-made lake?
It's called a man-made lake because it was literally dug by the people of Uganda Kingdom. First of all, from the name, it's the Kabaka's lake. Here in Uganda, a Kabaka is a title that is given to the king of a land. So the Kabaka of Uganda is like the king of Uganda, the occupants of Kampala city, the central region. So this lake was literally dug by the Buganda people. It was in 1985 to 1986.
Oh, all right.
According to history, and it was done collectively by everyone. Every chief had to offer some men to come and do the digging around the area. The main reason was to connect this place to Lake Victoria. That was an idea by the king, the then king of Buganda, Kabaka Mwanga. He felt bad by the fact that his people had to carry luggage, physically from the lake, which is some good kilometers away from this place, and they would carry it on the backs up to this place, and so he thought it wise that why not, connect this place, this was literally a swamp, connect it to the lake, the other side, the main lake, because there used to be imports coming from other countries and other places. So he wanted to connect so that he would just use a canoe to carry whatever it is, every luggage that had to be carried that is being brought to the kingdom through the canoe, and then his people don't have to struggle, to use their backs to carry heavy luggage. And it was also to connect the two palaces. He had another palace the other side on the lake, Lake Victoria. So he wanted to connect the two palaces. There is a palace just opposite where we are, the other side. So he wanted to connect the two places. That is why this lake was dug.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, guys. Unfortunately, we could not continue the video over there because it started drizzling.
Yeah. So there are 3 islands on the Kabaka's lake. There is only all the islands are not occupied. There is this one specific island that is only accessed by the Kabaka of Uganda. So there is this ceremony that takes place every year. It's an annual event that takes place among the Baganda people, and the Kabaka just goes to that specific island, sits there and just sees what people are doing around the lake, just enjoying the work that were set by his predecessors, and it's just so beautiful. That event takes place, and the Baganda people, they dress in a certain way. That event happens every year around August.
Now, okay guys, one thing exciting what I got to know about Faiza was that I've been to Paida, a place, it's on the border of Uganda and Congo. And surprisingly, Faiza is from there.
Yes, I'm from Paida. That's in the West Nile region of Uganda. Basically, that's in the northwestern part of the country. I'm from Paida. Yes, and he's been to Paida.
We also have a mutual friend, Rags. Rags, if you're watching this video, hey.
Hi, Rags. Rags was my classmate.
Oh, okay, all right.
We have the Alur people. We have the Lubara, the Kebu.
Okay.
It's a mixed up, but basically the Alur people there.
Okay, so you speak the language called
Alur.
Alur,
yeah,
all right.
The Alur people, they speak Alur. Alur people, we are very friendly, very welcoming, very hardworking, and very outgoing, really.
Oh, okay. Then thank you so much again for giving time and coming on my channel and giving your views, and of course telling me about the lake, the man-made lake. She's the one who told me about it. I'm really thankful to her. Thank you so much, guys. Do subscribe.
My channel name is Faiza Possible. I do content on travel and African lifestyle. Go check me out, Faiza Possible.
Definitely, you guys should. I'll be posting her channel's link in the description, and so you can find her easily over there.
Exactly.
Right, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Peace.
Hold me close till I get up.